Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made these delicious banana bread muffins with an amazing streusel topping. You will be amazed at just how good they are. If you want to learn how to make these, stay tuned. I'm going to start off with my streusel topping, and just a reminder, all the ingredients will be listed down below as usual. I'm putting in some flour, some sugar, some cinnamon, and some unsalted butter melted. I'm going to mix these to make it more of a streusel crumbly type. And once it's all mixed together, I'm going to just set this aside and I will use it later on. And in here, I'm going to be adding my bananas to a bowl. Now, your bananas should be ripe. Mine weren't. But nonetheless, I used them and my banana breads, muffins came out delicious. So adding the bananas to the bowl, I'm going to be whisking this with my handheld whisk, but you don't have to use that. You can use your spatula or even a wooden spoon. Giving that a good mix, making sure it's all whisked together. I'm going to be adding in my melted butter, my sugars, which is the brown sugar and the regular sugar. And once again, going to mix this with my mixer here. And once that's incorporated, I'm going to be adding in my eggs, giving that another whisk here. And adding in the milk and some vanilla. And that is it for the wet ingredients. For the dry ingredients, I sifted together flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And I'm going to be adding in that to here, making sure this is all incorporated. Now, make sure that your oven has been preheated to 375 degrees. And once this is all mixed, I'm going to be adding this to my homemade cupcake liners. Now, I did get 6 large muffins out of this batch. If you're going to make more, then of course you're going to add less of the mix. And like I said, I am making large ones, so I am putting pretty much a lot of this mix into each one. And not forgetting that streusel topping. You can also add walnuts if you like. I didn't. I kept it as is. And still, it's delicious. And this is going to go into the oven about 20 to 30 minutes. Oven temperatures do vary, so you want to just check it. And you can also use a toothpick and, just poke it in there and making sure that it is baked. You don't want it to come out raw. So into the oven they go. And once they are done, just look at that beauty. Oh, I swear I could eat all of these. And we truly did enjoy these. Well, I hope you liked my video. And leave me a nice comment, share and like my video, and hit that notification bell. And we will see you in my next video. Bye.